Okay, so we got a problem. I need to get in the back here, put my fuel cell in there. Well, you got to roll this window down in order to open it. I don't have a key, so can't roll it down there, nor does this Jeep have power. Still working on that, but one thing at a time. Also, I believe this is for that back window, but you know, I don't have an ignition, so whatever. So what I'm gonna do, I'm show you a quick little trick on how to get this window down, or any window down, or even test a window motor. So let's say you're at the junkyard and you want to get a window regulator motor, you'll know if it's good or not. Also, if anybody's got wagoneer, why does this do this? Like, why? I don't understand it. You know, leave a comment below. So first step is, well, we're gonna have to freaking get inside this thing somehow. I'm a pretty big guy, so let's see what we can do. Oh, shut this door because it's cold. Oh. No. Shoot. Oh. All right, we're back here. This is what we're looking at. That's the regulator. Alright, so now that we're back here, this is all you're really going to need. Get yourself a good old drill battery, impact battery, whatever you got. If you don't got that, you can use a car battery, motorcycle battery. It really don't matter. If it's a battery, it's going to work. In some cases, you get yourself some wire snips and some wire strippers. I did it differently. I made some jumpers, unplugged this harness here from it and plugged the jumpers into it. But if you don't have this, you're at the junkyard, you just want to do it real quick, you can just cut these two wires on any motor. Black's obviously ground, this is going to be positive, this is going to be your power. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these jumpers, or in your case, if you don't have jumpers, your exposed wires, and you're going to go to your battery. Okay, so I got the positive in. I'm going to touch it with the negative. Windows are on down. Our window is officially down. Easy as that. Now we want to go back up. Go ahead, swap that wire, go ahead and touch this one. We're going back up. Easy as that. You can do that with any car. Then you'll know if the motor works, if you're at a junkyard. If it's an emergency and you just need your window down, in my case, that's all you need to do. So, you know, any drill battery, car battery, really don't matter. But this is I thought this would be a good tip to share, especially because I needed to do this. I needed to get back here. Now I can come in here, open my tailgate. We're good. We're good to go. That was my quick tip for the day. Thanks for watching. If you learned something, go ahead and give it a like. Want to see more quick tips? How about you hit the subscribe button? Thanks for watching.